Hello everyone, welcome to part 37 of dating social network website in Laravel 5.6 and 5.7. And in part 37 of dating series, we will continue working on search profile or partner form, and uh, we will display the results when user searches gender, age, and location. Okay. Uh, so first of all, we are going to update this form. We are going to add its action. Okay, so let's open front sidebar. Okay, so let's open front sidebar and you can search this partner. Search what you can search here, and you can see we still need to give action and method. We will give it as post. Okay, so we will give here action. We will create its route in our next step, and we are going to give it like profile slash search. Okay, so this thing we are going to give like this, and method we will make it post method. Okay, and also don't forget to add CSRF field for the security token in Laravel. CSRF field. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, now our form is ready, form action is ready, and now here name gender, that is fine. We can also give it value like this one, because in some cases it don't work in some browsers, so we will give it like this. Name. Okay, and this one is already fine, and this one is already fine. Okay, so rest of the things are fine, and here we will give country. Okay, name country, and here we have already given age and max age, that is fine. Okay, so we are going to create now route. Okay, I'm going to create any route, or you can create get post route. Okay, get post route, well, it's better, but we can create any route as well to fasten up the process. Okay, so I'm going to create this route anywhere. We can create here. We will give it to like this. We need to create here only. Okay, yeah. Okay, here we can create that such a route any that profile search. Okay, so here we will add user controller at the rate of search profile. We are going to add this function in our next step, search profile. Okay, that will return to search result blade file that we will do in our next step. So in user controller, we are going to create the new function. Okay, you can close the function like this so that it will be more clear to us. Okay, so after view profile, we can create here new function, public function search profile. Okay, and here this is the post function, so we are means getting the data in this method post. Okay, we can do the same thing here. We can get the data in this method most. Okay, is method post like this. Okay, okay, so $data equal to $request or like this. Okay, so we will add it like this, and uh, now we will check here once. Go 3 and then I R like this. Okay, so here we are going to search here once, and we'll see that if data is coming fine or not. First, I'm going to search female. There is no female. Data will come as empty. Oh, there is an error. We need to see where is the error. Okay, let me see. Well, first of all, we'll go like this. We'll check step by step. Okay, if I'm going to search this one, and again it is coming. Okay, yeah, it is not going to this function. Profile search is going to search profile and here. Okay. Okay, we can run the Laravel again. I don't know where is the issue. Not having any clue that where is the issue, but let me see. Let me try to resolve. No, still issue is here. Method not allowed HTTP exception. Message. Uh, oh, see here. SEARCH. What the filling mistake I have done. Oh my goodness. See here. The filling mistake I have means I have added the wrong spelling of search. Now I have corrected. Now we see it, and let's see. Okay, so let's see once again. Now it is coming fine. Like we have searched this data. Female we have searched of 16 to 32 years, and country must be India. Okay, this one we can ignore, and token also we can ignore. Okay, like this we can able to search anywhere, like from anywhere in this country will not be given. We will search from complete data. So now we are able to search the data, and data is reaching here. So now we are going to add the query to get the results based on gender, age, and location. And in this video, we are going to first show results based on gender and location. Okay, in next video, we will work on age, as age will take some time, as we need to convert DOB to age format in the search as well. Okay, so let's add the query to get the data uh, from the users table. Okay, and we will also use join. Okay, we will also use join to make the query, because you will see in the table itself that these gender, age, and country you will get from the user details table. It's not user table. So we need to join that users table with the user details table. Okay, see here, user table is having the basic information of the user like username, name, email, and password. And user details table is having all the other details like we are talking about, like country, age, and country, age, and gender. See here, gender is also here in user underscore details table. Country is also here, and okay, country, gender, and age. Age is also we will calculate from DOB later on. Okay, so we are going to create the query with join as well. Okay, so let's start. Here we will create one variable here like search users. We will create search users. Okay, and in this one we are going to uh, add that user. We are going to search from the user model. Okay, and we are going to add both details and photos relations like we have done the same thing here with details and with photos in view profile as well. The same thing we will add here as well, because we are going to add complete details and photos of the user that we are going to display. Okay, so this one, after adding this, we will move back. Here we are going to add the join, means because we want to join two tables. We want to join the user details with the user table with the user ID. In user details table, we are having user ID. You can see uh, that in user under, see here, in users table we are having ID, and in user underscore details table we are having user ID. So we are going to means compare this user's ID with the user underscore ID of user underscore details table. Okay, so we are going to do this in this join query. We will add join. Okay, and here first of all we are going to add this users underscore details. Okay, we are going to join users underscore details. We are going to join uh, and from this one users underscore details, from this table, from user underscore details table, we are going to join that user ID. We are going to join user ID, and here we will write like this. Okay, that will be equal to uh, users underscore id user that will be equal to users underscore id. One more, will add users underscore dot id, so users dot id, because here you can see means we are going to join this users table with the user underscore details table, and in the users underscore details table, uh, user underscore id must be equal to the id of users table. Okay, this is the thing that we have added here. uh, okay, so that is fine. And after that uh, we are going to add that conditions we are going to add. But first of all, we are going to check this one, that results are coming fine, and you can see in index function as well we are getting the data. You can open the index controller and can see there that we are getting the data here as well of recent users. Okay, so means in a recent user as well we have means got the users uh, means by adding the weight position, and by getting the data from details and photos functions from the user model. Okay, so here this one order by and get, we are going to copy this one and going to paste here. Okay, so like this. Okay, so here we are going to check once again that data is coming fine or not, and I'm going to check. whether the data is coming fine or not. Okay, so we will do like JSON decode, and then to that JSON encode like this, and here again, once again. Now check here, we are going to see that all the users must come with this query. Here I will click on search, and there is some issue with column ID in order to create new users. Okay, we are going to see where is the issue. Here, okay, yeah, here I have done that silly mistake. Here it will not come like user dot id. Okay, like this. You can see both the users has come here because we have not added any condition. You can see that three IDs. Okay, Steve with detail and photo has come. That Gupta profile with photo and detail has come, and one more profile, admin profile. But admin profile is not required. Other two are fine. Okay, so now we are going to add the condition. Okay, so here we will add where condition. Uh, First of all, we will add for gender. We are going to check in users uh, underscore details dot gender. Okay, that must be equal to dollar data gender. That gender is also coming here as well. Like this. Okay, the next one is country. Okay, and here we are going to add the country like this. Okay, so here we have added the correct data, gender and country. Okay, both we have added here. Okay, so now we are going to check that whether the correct data will come. Here female we have added, but we are only having male profile, so I am going to search. See here, array is empty. Okay, now I am going to check male profile of 15 to 32 years. Again, array must be empty. Okay, because we have not added condition, so that's why it is showing. But here one more condition, that only male will come to, and India, from India it must be profile, and one profile you can see is from Ludhiana. Ludhiana is the city of India, but London is the city of UK, so only one profile will come. So that's why only one profile is coming, that is to Amit Gupta. That is my profile is coming. This P profile is not coming because it does not belong to India. Okay, so now we are going to display this result in our we are going to create that uh, search blade file, and this result we are going to display there. We are going to return view users dot search. Okay, and after that with compact search underscore user like this. Okay, so we are going to search the users like this, and let's see if we are going to able to search the users. Okay, so so we are going to create that file, resources, views, users, and here we are going to create that similar file like index.blade.php file. That same kind of file we are going to create in users. I'm going to create the same file and will make it like search. Okay, and then we will make changes in this file. Okay, So now I'm going to open this file, search, and now you can see that, okay, I'm going to see here, I'm going to refresh here, anything, and a similar page will come, like of index page. Okay, so addition user is not here. We are going to display the search user here. So in this search, we are going to add that, uh, in case of recent user, we will add search users. I'm going to refresh again to see that complete page has come, and we can move one the data from here, and here we will add like search results. Okay, the search profile we can also add search profiles. Okay, like this, that looks even better. And this complete div content we can remove because we don't require now. And now we are going to see here, now you can see search profiles, only one has come here. We can add, uh, along with, that city, we can add here in place of location, we can add here, city and country. Okay, that will look perfect, and city, and here we can add country as well, country. Okay, because we don't have that much space. Okay, now, uh, I'm going to see this not looking good. Yeah, it is not looking good. We must add in one line only, and I'm checking. Hoo, 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 hoo. Okay, we can show here, for the time being. We can show one second. Uh, Here we can show country only. Later on, here, so here as well, country. Okay. See here, if I'm going to search the female profile, it will show no profile because there is no profile of female, and male from 16 to 32 years of India. Then only one profile has come, that belongs to India. Okay, if we are going to, search all male profiles, from anywhere, then it must show, it must, all the results must come here, but it is not coming because, still, we are sending that country, and here we need to add one condition, that if country is not empty, like, if empty, I don't think it's gonna work like this. I don't think it's gonna work. Try. No, I don't think so. It will get an issue because we are inside the query, so that's why. uh, so now we can do one thing, data country, then we must not add this condition, and, uh, itself add condition. I'm just checking that where is the issue. Oof, and need to see if any will come. Then okay. The meantime, we can do one thing, and later on we are. Oh, sorry. What I'm doing. Oh, today there is lot of issue. I am making. Uh, this is not the blade file. I am doing the silly things today. My mind is not in my work, so that's why such issue is happening. Sorry for that. See here, country. There is no country. That's why it is showing like this. But see, remove this query. We will work on this in next video. Uh, okay. There are some issues that I am going to resolve in next video. But right now, you just use partially. We have done this one. Like if I am going to search mail with India, then it will going to show one. Okay, and if I'm going to search that UK, United Kingdom, okay, then it will show the other profile, because other profile is not shown, because here we need to select mail once again. Now United Kingdom once again here, then we're going to search and then see here the other profile will come. We are not taking this as right now, so but still we want to show the users if country is empty. So in that case, see here, simple thing here we can do right now, but I'm going to remove, I'm going to add some other query in next video. If it is not empty, then we are going to do this one, else we are going to do this one. So this query I'm going to add if it is not empty, and if it is empty, then I am going to add this query. Okay, and here in this one I am not going to add that that country. Okay, now it will work fine. You can see here. Now I'm going to refresh once again. Now this time I'm going to select anywhere. Okay, I'm going to select anywhere and search, and to mail from this one not applied, and this one again anywhere. Okay, now both profiles must come. All the profiles are coming now. Okay, admin profile also come, that we still need to remove that admin profile. Okay, we will add condition so that this profile will not come here, but right now we also not required to add such kind of admin in this user table as well, so we can simply remove that entry at all. Okay, so more we are going to do in next video. We are going to display the 8 according to 8. We are going to display the search results, and we are also going to update the query that I have done, okay, in some other way, so that it will look better in a proper way. Okay, so we will continue working on search results, search page in next video as well. So stay tuned for next video. And there are some issues do occur in this video, but uh, but it happens, and if such issues come at your end as well, then debug your code and try to resolve. Okay, then have a nice time. Goodbye.